Hey, Julia. Julia, look. Look, I'm here. There's so much new things to see, huh? But it's going to get better. At least she's aware of the end of the leash now. After two whole... Oh, a squirrel, look. Oh, how exciting. And she's almost aware... She's aware of the end of the leash, and she's almost aware of the fact that I'm connected to the leash. Julia. No, no, no. No. Julia, no. No. Julia. Hey, Julia, I'm connected, remember? Come on. Watch the cars. No. She's not aware of cars, that's for sure. She would run right in front of a car if she wasn't on the leash, and if I gave her enough leash. You're learning though, Julia, huh? Julia. Good girl. Hey, come at least say hi. Thank you. Julia, Julia. Come on. Yeah. Good girl. Thank you. You gotta watch for cars, okay? You understand that? You're a good girl. Thank you. Okay, let's go. All right, we're almost home, so let's go home, okay? Whoop, sorry. Okay, when you hear a car, Julia, when you hear a car, you got to pay attention. And you got to be sure you don't get in the way of the car. Julia. Hey. Hi, Julia. Hi, Julia. Hello. You're a good girl. Good girl. What do you see? What is it? Oh, a squirrel. Oh, my gosh. How exciting. No, I'm on the leash, Julia. Julia, please. Hey, hey. Hey, Julia, remember. Julia, come here. Julia, remember, I'm on the leash, too. Hey, come here, come here. It's too exciting, isn't it? Okay. Hey, Julia. 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 Hey. Oh, hey, good girl. Good dog.